Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit the master slides in Google Slides. Master slides is basically just a template that is used by the presentation document. So if you edit the master slide, then the rest of the document will follow the same template. So let me give you the tutorial on how you can open this master slide and then how you can edit this master slide. Now, first, what you need to do is I highly recommend to duplicate the document just to create a copy, just in case you maybe create something wrong with your document and then you wish to go back. So I highly recommend to create a duplicate for that. And after that, to open the master slide menu, you have to go to any slide. It's totally up to you. And then go to slide, the slide menu right here, and click edit theme. Now we have the master slide or the template that is used by the presentation. Now, if you click on any of these slides, you will see there is some slides being highlighted, meaning that these slides are using this template. So if I edit this document, or sorry, this slide, then these three slides will follow. For example, if I change the background to, let's say, a different color to maybe this type of yellow, and click done, you will see that it will be applied to these slides as well. And that's basically how you can edit the master slide in Google Slides. And of course, you can edit a lot of things. You can edit the font text, you can change the position of the content, and there are so many things that you can modify here. And unfortunately, I cannot show you all of that. It's totally up to you with which part that you want to modify. There are so many tools up here. And I hope you find this video helpful.